here you got Junior Suite, 65 square meters. Connect with executive room, twin bed. Doesn't connect with the deluxe room, but here you can close the door and you got an access here.
So room.
And then this one connects with the one we see.
Grand Deluxe.
Four room. Oui. Dans la Grand Deluxe, three people, two people, three people.
Four bedroom.
Yeah,
Like
that's why.
10 people.
And on this side I got Deluxe room, executive room, Junior Suite, three. And this is the same on each floor. That's why we got many connectings.
So one floor good for family.
Yes.
Five, seven rooms.
And service, and the point is,
Yes. Oh,
it's the other step.
oh, stairs. Oh, beautiful. Like in Parisian house.
It's merci. C'est comme ça. C'est exactement. This is exactly the word. It's our clients say it's their home Parisian. It's really their home because they feel because you know the building is dated of 1703, the epoch of Louis XIV, and between 1703 and 1898, it's been a hôtel particulier. And you know in French vocabulary, hôtel particulier means mansion. Mansion. And during this time was the aristocracy living there. The Count and Countess, the Marquis, and kings and queens came there. That's why the ambience keep, like you said, with the stairs, this maison house ambience, home ambience.
Stairs important. No stairs, no palace.
And here, you got from the Grand Deluxe room and the Junior Suite, you got always the first toilet separated of the bathroom. Because in classic room, you got always the same area with the bathrooms and the toilets, of course, separated. And this is the Grand Deluxe is 55 square meters, and it's totally similar to the Junior Suite. Junior Suite is 65, but it's exactly the same layout. I mean, the bedroom open on the living room.
Oh, that's very good.
It's good, huh? When you spend like 2-3 nights.
Maybe.
And this one connects with the deluxe room that you can get the kids and the babysitter. That's always we manage to get really all different configuration available on the dates you want, but on the same time you always we try to offer the maximum we have. That's why it's really.
But some room go to garden.
Alors, you got 80% of the views are garden or garden of the Ministry of Justice, our neighbor, very quiet.
This maybe somebody doesn't like.
No, it's okay. Sometimes, no. And on the other side, on the garden of the Ritz. Then you got 10% on the Rue Chanel, on Cambon Street, and 10% Vendôme Square. That's majority of the time it's green view, while it's.
No, but how many your view?
On the garden, it's about 40%.
Your garden is beautiful.
Yes, 2,000 square meters. The landscape designer is Jean Mus. Jean Mus is a landscape designer of the family of Monaco, the prince, and is also graduated of the School of Garden of Versailles.
Now in Monaco, very good gardens.
And they extend now.
So the guy.
I saw the document TV 2 weeks ago on the how they built the extension in Monaco. Did you see it? It's impressive.
No, that's already a long time.
They took a boat. It's a special boat. It was in La Haye. It took 2 months for the boat to go to Monaco because it's heavy, so heavy that he had to stop like every weeks in each port of the Atlantic side before to go in Mediterranean Sea and to arrive to Monaco. It's huge.
No, because it's very deep. So in Dubai, very not deep. And in Monaco is deep. So you need a lot of stone.
Stone. And you know, they explain how to stabilize the underwater, all the stone. It's by vibration. They put a big stick.
A big stick.
A big stick with vibrant. And with that, I didn't know that, the stones are joining together thanks to the vibrations. Technology is amazing because it's underwater.
Destroy nature, not good.
Ah, c'est sûr, ça c'est pareil, ça for sure. Chimneys, all original from the epoch, 1815 and something. There's not function anymore, but has been restored. And we hide
the
a sound. And we got the sound system behind, like this. It's hidden. And the mirror TV, of course, the trumeau. We got one chimney, only one.
One?
With fireplace is in the salon Proust in the afternoon tea chai, just on the ground floor. As soon as the winter is coming, every morning we put wood in the chimney, and there is the fireplace going on all day long until midnight. And when you come in the Ritz,
so you have special smell.
you got the smell of the chalet of the.
Like Coucherie.
Exactly.
So Ritz now in Coucherie as well.
Good suggestion. If you want to develop and to open a new hotel.
You can put.
Non, c'est vrai que that's for me. If you have to sum up about us, it's really house, home ambience with elegant but discreet, not show off. You saw we don't have so many items, just the lamp, the Kleenex box, but we don't like to have more than this. Many hotels